Good morning students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel The Account Master. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on the subject Human Resource Management for the class of MCOM and MBA students on the topic definitions, nature, scope and importance of HRM. Let's begin the lecture. Definition of HRM. Definition of HRM. First definition is given by M.L. Cumming. According to him, human resource management is considered with obtaining the best possible staff for an organization and having got them looking after them so that they want to stay and give their best to their job. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू एम एल कमिंग ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट क्या है? तो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट कंसर्न है फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग बेस्ट पॉसिबल स्टाफ फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मीन्स राइट पर्सन शुड बी प्लेस्ड ऑन राइट जॉब. इट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ HRM. एंड हैविंग गॉट देम एंड लुकिंग देम, अच्छे स्टाफ की बहाल करना, उनको देखना और उनको इस तरह से उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रखना ताकि वो अपना ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ऑब्जेक्टिव के अचीवमेंट में दे सके. नेक्स्ट है डेल ऑर्डर के द्वारा ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट एज दैट पार्ट ऑफ फेज ऑफ मैनेजमेंट डीलिंग effectively with control and use of manpower as distinguished from other sources of power. According to him, there are two types of sources. There are two factors of production. One is manpower and other one is other than manpower. According to F.E.L. Bridge के अनुसार management is that part of management process which is primarily concerned with human constituent of an organization. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने भी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं उनसे रिलेटेड जो मैनेजमेंट होगा दैट इज नोन एज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू एडिसन, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट एज द साइंस ऑफ ह्यूमन इंजीनियरिंग. ह्यूमन बींग से रिलेटेड जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगा ऑल आर रिलेटेड विथ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू लियोन सी मैगिन्सन, the term human resource can be thought as the total knowledge, skill, creative abilities and talent and aptitude of an organization's workforce as well as value, attitude and belief of the individual involved. Means यहाँ पे according to Megginson, human resource is related with the sum total of all factors of organizational workforce. Factors like knowledge, skill, creative ability, talent, aptitude, as well as value, attitude, and belief of the individual working in an organization. Next, nature of HRM. HRM is a pervasive function. Pervasive function means it is applied on the both side of the economy, whether it is done for economic activity or non-economic activity. Means some pervasive force refers to that force which is applied in all spheres of life. People oriented. As we know that जैसा कि हम लोगों ने मीनिंग में देखा या डेफिनेशंस में देखा कि ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इज रिलेटेड विद द ह्यूमन फैक्टर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट वाई इट इज रिलेटेड विद पीपल. It is action oriented. Human beings है तो they can perform their duty by their own. That's why it is action oriented. Future oriented. Human beings are appointed in an organization to earn their livelihood by completing the objective of the organization. Since the objective are futuristic, therefore HRM, the nature of HRM is future oriented. Development oriented. Since the work of every employee is towards the development of the organization, therefore we can say that the main nature of HRM is development oriented. Enhance employee relation. HRM helps to build a healthy relation among the employees of the organization. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने भी वर्कर्स काम करते हैं उनके बीच में अच्छा रिलेशन एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए HRM हेल्पफुल. Interdisciplinary function. HRM is not only related with single function of the organization, but it is related with all functions of the organization, such as finance, marketing, HR. Everywhere their human beings are performing their job, their interdisciplinary function performed by HRM. Now the scope of HRM. HRM in personal management. Personal management means management of workforce working in an organization. HRM in employee welfare. HRM is not only related with human beings or personal management, but it is also related with the welfare of the employee. Welfare of the employee means providing safe security at the workplace environment, job safety, medical, health insurance वगैरह जो प्रदान करते हैं, that is known as the welfare, the employees welfare. HRM in industrial relation. Industrial relation means to establish harmonious relationship between employer and employee, or between employee or employer, etc. So these are the three scope of HRM. It is related with personal management, employee welfare, and industrial relation. Next, objective of HRM. The primary objective of HRM is to place a competent and willing workforce in the right position at the right time. तो HRM का मेन फंक्शन जो होता है, to place a right and competent person on the right post at a right time. The main objective of HRM is to help the organization to achieve its goal. उसके लिए अच्छे लोगों का भर्ती करना, to employ a skilled workforce and focus on their training and development. एम्प्लॉय को बहाल करने के साथ साथ उसको देखते रहना कि कब उसको ज़रूरत होगा तो ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोवाइड कराना. टू ensure employees job satisfaction and maintain quality of work life. It is related with employee welfare, means job satisfaction के ऊपर में ध्यान देंगे और उनकी quality of work life को भी encourage करेंगे by encouraging services and welfare facilities. Societal objective. Societal objective means every organization performed in a society. Therefore, it is legal or ethical obligation to the organization to perform some social responsible or ethical responsible jobs. Importance of HRM. Importance of HRM can be described in three levels. As an instrument for growth and organization. Means अगर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट ना हो तो मैनेजमेंट वर्कर्स को हम अच्छे से मैनेज नहीं कर पाएंगे. मीन्स ह्यूमन बींग्स जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं, ऑल आर एक्टिव फैक्टर्स एंड दे आर नॉट एफिशिएंटली मैनेज्ड. एज ए रिजल्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज टू फेस लॉसेस. देयरफॉर HRM helps in the growth of organization. Second one is as a liaison between employer and employee. एम्प्लॉयर और एम्प्लॉय के बीच में कभी कभी झगड़े हो जाते हैं, कभी कभी बिना मतलब का वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम, वेस्टेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, वेस्टेज ऑफ हेल्दी इन्वायरमेंट. तो इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, HRM लाइजनिंग करता है बिटवीन एम्प्लॉयर एंड एम्प्लॉय. And third one, as a professional field, HRM has separate function in context with management. HRM is different in related with management. So HRM act as separate professional field. I hope the student will be highly benefited through this lecture. Their queries and suggestions are appreciated. Thanking you, be happy, and make someone happy. Have a great day.